Hello, Susan Phariss here with Brain Fitness Strategies, and we are getting ready to put on some workshops at Steiner Ranch, and I wanted to make sure you know what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about increasing focus and concentration, lowering anxiety, improving reading speed and comprehension, and reducing sensory issues. All of these topics are part of a Steiner Ranch health series, and our particular series is called Brain Fitness Workshops, a Neurodevelopmental Series for Your Successful Child. There's several dates, so if you miss the first one, you can catch the next three, so it's one a month for the next 4 months. And I want you to bring your concerns. What is it that you want to know about how your child is doing in school? I'm particularly working on learning and behavior challenges. So if that's something, if you've got a super bright child who is maybe struggling in one subject or is getting some bad marks in behavior, and you've tried some things that haven't worked, or you resonate with me and you understand that this might be something you need to look into, and this would be a great opportunity to do that, why don't you come to these workshops? They're free. They're at the Bellamar Recreation Center. So come on down and bring your questions, and you're going to learn a couple of activities at each workshop that are going to be able to be applied that night to help your child in one of these areas, whether it's concentration, anxiety, reading, or sensory issues. We've got you covered. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Bye.